I'm Menis Ketchum. I'm a lawyer in Huntington, West Virginia. I was born and raised in Wayne County, West Virginia. Went to law school at West Virginia University. And for the last 41 years, I've been practicing law in Huntington, West Virginia. My trial practice has been pretty evenly balanced between the defense and the plaintiffs. First of all, if elected, I would divorce myself from the social scene. I would divorce myself from giving speeches around the state. I would divorce myself from politics. I would sit up there and work and insulate myself. The United States Supreme Court insulates itself so that they can become impartial, and we should insulate ourselves from the social scene and political scene. In that light, to take politics out of it, I've pledged never to run again. I don't want to be on that court with 4 years to go in my term or 2 years to go in my term, subconsciously thinking, oh, will this decision cost me votes with Chamber of Commerce, or will this decision cost me votes with labor? I just feel that one of the great issues in this campaign is our court does not work hard enough to hear the average citizen's appeals. The average citizen's divorce cases and contract cases, boundary line disputes are as important to them as a big multi-million-dollar verdict against a multinational corporation. The court doesn't have a role as business and labor. You see the statue, Lady Justice with the scales of justice? She's got a blindfold on. And the court does not become a cheerleader for either business or labor. And so it's my position that the legislature sets a policy, the legislature makes the law, and the Supreme Court applies the law. And the Supreme Court should only even interpret the law and if it's ambiguous. But I've been practicing law for 41 years, and I have seen very few ambiguous laws. Now, I'm a strict constructionist. I'm not going to be an activist and make law. I'm just going to apply the law. But a justice should not get up there and substitute their judgment for that of the legislature. In other words, if I thought something was good for business and I don't like what the legislature did, well, I'd substitute my judgment for theirs. It's not right. We are to even-handedly apply the law, not make law. So I'll be a strict constructionist in that regard. What I really want to accomplish is turn the court around and get it working and get the public confidence back in our judicial system. It's really important that the public has confidence in the judicial system.